So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on T on your keyboard. Now you want to find themes. Here it is. You're going to double click on themes. You're going to make the startup type automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you're going to click on restart. You're going to restart the theme service. See if that works for you. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in control panel. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to set the view by to category. Now you're going to select ease of access. Now once this comes up, you're going to select optimize visual display. And then once you're on this, we're just going to scroll down till we find remove background images where available. Make sure that you have this unticked. You want to untick this box and then click on OK. For the last method, you just want to simply restart your computer, come back into Windows and then try again. Hopefully this will not fix your problem.